Maesteg is a small, friendly town with a real sense of community.
Everything you need for Christmas is right on your doorstep. When people choose to shop local, we know we're doing something right.
It means that the money's staying in our town when people are spending in our shop.
Christmas shopping in Maesteg is special because there's a lot of creatives in Maesteg, so there's a lot of handmade items. Christmas is a time to get all your nails done and your eyelashes and your brows and make you feel good about yourself. We do make people feel special and they feel like they go out of here smiling and feeling beautiful. People should come to Maesteg to shop because you'd be surprised what you can get here.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Merry
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, everyone!